Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to NOKIA X30. Begin by accessing Play Store on both smartphones and installing completely free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, hit open. Now, in order to use it, tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other smartphone. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Now finally, you can choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive over here on a Nokia. Then click on all of your files that you wish to transfer and tap on Send next to selected. You can also tap on all of those dots from all of those categories and tap on Send then. I will go with only one file though, so I have to click on the chosen one, choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on Nokia, choose one of those options, click on Close this window and tap on Input key. Then you can input this key over here and tap on Receive to connect your smartphones. But you can also just scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Nokia, choosing while using or only this time, and pointing your camera at the code. Now, in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!